Today we will see the law of dominance. That law of dominance, which is given by a great scientist, that is the Mendel's, and that Mendel's, for satisfying that law, they carried out a various hybridization experiment. It is found that only one character of one parent becomes visible in a hybrid offsprings while the other remains invisible. For satisfying that law, the Mendel selects a pea plant having a yellow seed was crossed with a pea plant having a green seed. All plants obtained in a F1 generation were having a yellow seeds, but in a F2 generation, the plants obtained yellow as well as the green seeds, and the ratio is 3:1. In a F1 generation, green shaded character was invisible, but in F2 generation it appears visible. When two offsprings of F1 were inbreed in F2 generation, the offsprings those are obtained here the 25% pure yellow, 50% which is the heterozygous, that is the hybrid yellow, and 25% that is the green, that is the homozygous. The offsprings obtained were in the ratio of 1:2:1, which is called as the genotypic ratio. This ratio based on the genotype present in the offsprings. On the other hand, when the external appearance of an individual is taken into consideration, the ratio is called as a phenotypic ratio. That means it is the 3:1. Here, the external appearance of the individual is called as phenotype. As per the phenotypic ratio, the offsprings obtained in a F2 generation where 75% these are the yellow one and 25% these are the green seeded one. The results obtained in F2 generations are represented by a Punnett square method or checkerboard as follows. Well, we see the cross, that is the parental plant, that is the yellow seeded, and another parental plant which is the green seeded one. Well, you see the gametes of that yellow seed parental plant which is the Y1, and the gametes of green seeded plant, that is the small z1. While you made the cross, there is a formation of a heterozygous gametes, that is the capital Y and small z, but the phenotypic appearance which is the seed color which is the yellow one. While you observe the checkers boards, in a checkerboard there are two gametes, that is the capital Y and small z of another parent, and when we can make the cross, there are four possibilities. That means there is a formation of capital Y yellow offspring, as well as there is a formation of capital Y and small z offspring, but the color which is the yellow one. The third offspring which is the capital Y and small z, but their phenotypic appearance of the color which is the yellow one, and the fourth one in which the small z and the color which is the green one. While you studied the percentage, the pure yellow which is the 25%, that hybrid yellow which is the 50%, and the pure green which is the 25%. Here the 1:2:1 ratio is the genotypic ratio, and 3:1 which is the phenotypic ratio. These ratios, these are the monohybrid ratios. According to Mendel, a character that represents itself in the hybrid, it is called as a dominant. Thank you.